Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of Truecaller. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Truecaller. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter the storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you.